Onto function is also called surjective function. Again here also I'll give some memory tip for that. So onto function, the same fashion, you have this function xy. It is called onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. That is, there is no orphan y element. For example, in this case, for this guy, there is an element here. For this guy, there is an element here. For C, the element is 2. For D also, there is an element called 4. There is no orphan element. There is no orphan element here. Correct? So in the image part, there is no orphan image. I can say that. No orphan image. For every image, you have one element. Correct? Under X. One more example. So if you see this function, if you see, is 1 1, and this function is, if you see, many 1. Correct? Why? Because for A there are 2 injections, so it is many 1, but still it is onto. Why? Because for A also there are some elements here, for B also there are some elements, and for C also there are some elements in this. Right? For every image you have some elements. There is no orphan image. Just to make our doubts clear, let's take one example of function that is not onto. So if you see this image, this guy is an orphan guy here, because for this guy A, there is no value here, there is no pointer. Similarly, D and E are also orphan. Since they are orphan childs here, it is not onto. Here also if you see, for E and F, there is no child here, so it is not onto. And if you classify again the same function as 101 and not 101, many 1, if you see, right, D has 2 injection coming in, so it is not injective, so you'll say it is many 1. Here if you see all the values A, B, C, D, whatever it has had, it has only 1 values coming in, so it is 101. So it is 101, and this is many 1. So if you see, you have 2 combination. A function, if you see the classification of function, you classify the function as many 1 or 101. That is the first part, based on whether you have multiple injections coming in or single injection coming in. Second is onto or non-onto, based on whether there is an orphan element in the image or not. So based on these 2, there is one more type of function, that is, which is 101 and onto, both. That kind of function is called bijective function. Now, before I go to bijective function, let's give you memory tip for the onto function. For onto function, what we have seen, onto function is also called surjective function. So surjective, from surjective, what you can remember is, from surjective I can take out the word sir. Sir means what? Lord. Lord is called sir, right? God is called sir. So if God is there, nobody is orphan. So in that case, if there is no orphan element in the image, it is surjective function. If God is not there, then there are some orphan elements. Some orphan elements, that is, God is not there. God is not there, that is, sir is not there. Sir is not there, that means not surjective. Just a memory tip. Thank you.